Each year, on the first Saturday in May, communities and neighborhoods come together to participate in Wildfire Community Preparedness Day, an annual campaign that works to protect homes from wildfire.
For many people, getting started with wildfire risk reduction efforts can feel overwhelming. But Preparedness Day is a great springboard to get started with those first steps.
There's a lot of value in having a Preparedness Day for your neighborhood. It not only involves the entire neighborhood, but it makes them more aware of what can happen if they don't take the steps to make their homes defensible.
Preparedness Day is built on scientific research, which shows that removing anything that can burn from on and around the home can help reduce the risk of wildfire ignition. This includes raking away leaves, pine needles, and other debris, clearing gutters and vents, removing shrubs, pruning back branches, removing downed tree limbs, and other nearby vegetation.
You can get a lot done with a small amount of effort.
Really, you want to remove the immediate threats, and taking a first step, I think a lot of times it just takes encouragement from neighbors that are concerned about their own homes.
To implement Preparedness Day in your neighborhood or community, the first step is letting people know about the campaign and how it works. Once you have a group that's ready to get involved, decide on a project you'd like to do and what's needed to complete it. From there, use NFPA's free online guides and materials, including the Preparedness Day Toolkit, which provides fact sheets, social media cards, flyers, and more to help organize and prepare for the day.
The NFPA's resources have been extremely helpful as we work with residents to reduce the wildfire risk around their homes. Not only do they provide the guidance on what to do, they also reinforce the positive impacts of these efforts. This helps people stay motivated over the long term.
Even one or two actions, as simple and basic as they may seem, can help make a difference in reducing a home's risk from wildfire ignition.
Talk to your neighbors, talk to your fire safe council representatives. People have a lot of good ideas on what they've done, and you can learn from what others have done.
With the community working together, you can help avoid a disastrous event.
I found out that I lost my home and my rental home, both completely to the ground. It just never entered our minds that the fire would hit us. And it was the most frightening thing I've ever seen. Every ounce of prevention is well worth it.
Oftentimes, once people see the progress they've made, they're inspired to keep going. And that's what the campaign is all about.
To learn more about Wildfire Community Preparedness Day this May and how you and your community can participate, visit NFPA's website at nfpa.org/Wildfire Prep Day.